So a lot of people commented, hey, you didn't show us pull it out, blah, blah, blah. So after you can see, as soon as this bolt leaves, and you got about 1.5 to 2 inches, you got plenty of room to pull this alternator out of here. Now all you do over here on the subframe, where you disconnected this bolt, is you get a big bar or something right here. And I got a handy assistant who's going to lift up on it. And see, it just rolls right out. Same thing when you roll it back in. Roll it back in, put it in place. All your connections will come through this way, makes it really easy. And then you use your jack underneath to jack up the subframe and put the bolt back on. So making alternator jobs real easy for the Ford Escape XLT. It's an 03, and you know, it does take a couple of people to help get through it. It's not too bad at all, but you can get all this done without taking the top of the engine apart. This one happens to run real good, so I don't want to mess with the gaskets. But there's always another way.